hope you enjoyed your ride. When the train has come to a complete stop, unfasten your seatbelt, push up on your shoulder harness, and exit carefully to your right. Ensure all loose articles are collected as you exit. Thank you for riding Patriot, and enjoy the rest of your journey around worlds of fun. Oncoming riders, welcome to Patriot, the American screen. When the gates open, carefully step into your row. Once seated, pull down on the shoulder harness and fasten the seatbelt. Drop the floor, you're out the door. Fly high.